Hi everyone! Did you know that the most optical connector issues are primarily due to contamination like dirt and oil, physical damage such as scratches and breaks, and by misalignment or loose connections, all of which lead to signal loss, high insertion loss, or complete link failure? The key solution to these issues are cleaning and careful handling. Today I will explain how to do a visual inspection with a fiber inspection probe and the most common cleaning process of optical connectors and phases. The performance of the network can be greatly affected by many factors. Or worse, the degradation can lead to the whole network going down. Unfortunately, not all the variables can be controlled with ease during the deployment of the network. Also, when doing optical measurements with an OTDR, it is very important to trust the measurement results. There is one component, the connector, that is too often overlooked, but that can be controlled using the proper procedure. Optical connectors are key components, which is why maintaining them in good condition is essential to ensure that all the equipment operate to their maximum performance. When proceeding with the inspection of connectors, there are two main components to inspect: the connector itself and the ferrule. One of the advantages with connectors is that when they fail, the main cause is often traced to the end face of the ferrule. Connector failure is most frequently the result of a dirty or damaged end face. Since the core and cladding are the two main sections of the ferrule, it is critical that they be maintained in good condition in order to minimize the loss that occurs when two ferrules are mated together. To properly carry out connector maintenance, the connector end face must first be visually inspected. To carefully inspect the connector end face, it is recommended to use a microscope that is specially designed for the fiber optic connector end face. For this video, we will continue using the Lightel fiber inspection probes, which is compatible with the fiber inspection probe capability of the Yokogawa OTDRs. A clean end face of a connector inspected with a video inspection probe would look like this. The following pictures, however, show the end face of various connectors with different sets of contaminations or damages. Good practice for avoiding connector end face damage or contamination is to always keep a protective cap on the unused connector. When inserting the protective cap on the ferrule, do not insert it all the way, since small dirt particles can accumulate at the bottom of the cap and transfer to the ferrule. Also, storing the dust cap during usage of the fiber is critical. Storing the dust cap in your pocket will leave dust in and on the dust cap. A reliable connection begins with connector care and cleaning. Therefore, before connecting a connector, it is essential to make sure that the connector is clean and exempt from defects. To ensure connector cleanliness, the connector must first be inspected with a fiber inspection probe and cleaned if necessary. A practical note: always inspect the connector before and after cleaning. Inspection may reveal that the connector does not need to be cleaned, or it might need cleaning again. Thank you for watching this video, where we highlight the visual inspection using a fiber inspection probe and the most common cleaning process of optical connectors end face. For more information about the Yokogawa OTDR portfolio and its applications, please visit Yokogawa's Test and Measurement website.